Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a personal story that inspired me to talk about a crucial topic, the power of emotional expression. As a student, I started reading fictional books in my free time to escape the reality. However, a book I recently stumbled upon caught my attention. It's about a lady diagnosed with scleroderma, an autoimmune disease. What struck me was the chapter on how suppressing our emotions for extended periods can trigger multiple diseases. The danger of emotional suppression. When we suppress our emotions for too long, it can have severe consequences on our mental health and physical health. Emotions play a vital role in every event, good or bad. By suppressing them, especially the negative ones, we are messing with our minds, which ultimately controls our bodies. So, why this is a threat to us? Most of us, especially the younger generation, compare their abilities to others. I am guilty of it too. However, we often struggle to convey our feelings to friends or loved ones due to embarrassment, fear, or shyness. This suppression of emotions can lead to severe consequences, including mental health issues and physical diseases. To illustrate this point, let's consider the water theory. You may or may not know that negative words can change the structure of water. Now, think about your body. When you are constantly adding negative events to your mind, it will definitely show up somehow. When you are constantly feeding your mind with bad things and your mind is affected, your health will also be affected somehow. You might not notice it immediately, but at some stage you will feel burned out or depressed without knowing the exact cause. So, what's the solution? I suggest start a conversation. Even if it's just about the little things that bother you. If possible, consider seeking help from a therapist. Alternatively, find someone who cares about you and they will become your confidant. If you are not comfortable talking to anyone, try to express yourself on paper. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be a great way to let it all out. Another technique you can try is to write down positive things when you are feeling down. It could be something as simple as being grateful for food, clothes, or good people around you. I know it may seem silly at first, but trust me, once you start to focus on positive aspects of your life, you will begin to feed your mind with good things, replacing the negative ones. In addition, I want to talk about one more thing that's extremely crucial, the power of saying no. It's a common statement, but it's often the hardest to implement. We are becoming increasingly introverted and isolated, and making it even more challenging to express ourselves. In situations where you can feel less confident or inferior, you might end up agreeing to things you don't agree with, or think you will attract unwanted attention if you go against them. This is also a form of suppression. While it's not always possible to rebel against the norm, you can at least try to express yourself with family and friends. However, when you are always going along with others without using your own mind to think, you might regret it later for not speaking up. In conclusion, the power of emotional expression and saying no is crucial for our mental and physical health. By suppressing our emotions, we are putting ourselves at risk of severe consequences. So, let's make a conscious effort to communicate our feelings and desires. Remember, it's okay to say no and it's okay to express yourself. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.